SBET stock analysis. This is for Thursday. Tomorrow and onward, in this 1-minute video, I'm going to break down exactly whether I'm buying, whether I'm not. As I'm just ultimately looking at Sharplink Gaming, I can tell you that I'm looking to take things further up and buy. Like today, we're 18% up, and my call out was so on point. You know, like I wanted to see a shift just to see the price taking things up. Beforehand, I saw that happening, and here's the before video. Just so you don't think that I'm lying to you or whatever. That was sitting at $30.30 5 days ago. It's phenomenal. And so it went from 30 bucks to like 120. That's 4x. And then I had this idea that was uploaded yesterday with 19 hours ago. And all I wanted to see is, you know, a shift and take things up. It was 54 bucks at the time. It's a beautiful delivery. You know, we reached a point of like 83. Honestly, like, for me to just double down, buy more, I will need to see my confirmation being met. But other than that, I'm not going to just randomly get involved with SBET or whatever. So if you do want to learn how I make you 5 to 10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will continue to keep you updated.